It's good, YouTube, and welcome back for another video, man. In today's video, we're gonna be going into the Hasport 70A mounts. I had them on for about, I think maybe a full year now, and I'm gonna be reviewing my Rev9 Hyper Street 2 coilovers that I got on a crazy deal. But before I go ahead, I'm just letting the car warm up. Yo, I just want to thank every single one of you, for real, every single one of you that got me here to 1,000 subscribers, man. I know it's, to some, it's like not really a big milestone, but yo, you guys really like are gonna change my life, and I'm gonna grind it out, and I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. All right, so first of all, the deal that I got the Hyper Street 2s on, I got them for $350, brand new. My boy ended up getting rid of them and he went BC. So he asked me when I first got the car, and I was like, you know what? Let's do it. Like let's throw some content on the channel. So I went ahead and got those, and the reason why I went with the 70As for the Hasport mounts, it was only the rear mount and the upper pitch mount. I got 70s because I wanted to feel the vibration. In the beginning, I'm not gonna lie to you, when I first put them in, it was ridiculous. The vibration was crazy. You guys can probably hear the vibration now. It's not that bad. They definitely broken in really well. They're worth it. I like them. So all right, with the Hyper Street 2s, are they worth the 500? I would say yeah. Reason being, because it's a budget coilover. You have adjustable dampening on the front and the rear. And it's a smooth ride. I'm not gonna lie. And it comes with adjustable sway bar end links for the front, so that's definitely a plus. I know I could have used the OEM sway bar end links, but I was like, you know what? It's a new suspension piece. Let me throw it on. At first, I'm not gonna lie to you. This was before I put on the Hasport mounts. I got a lot of like vibration from the driver front wheel from the sway bar end link, just because of how it was like it would like rattle loose. So all I did was like take it off, put blue Loctite on it, and I sent the bolt back in, and I haven't had an issue since. So that fixed my problem. And then I didn't preload the suspension. Well, I preloaded it, but it wasn't like even all the way around. Like I had to adjust the suspension a lot because I had a rear clunking in the back on the left rear, and yeah. But that went away. Like I ended up adjusting everything to spec. Everything is tight. Everything was good. So it was like, yeah, I had to do minor tweaks, but it wasn't the end of the world. But overall, yo, as low as the car is, I'm pretty slammed. I'm not gonna lie to you. I have so much more room in the front to go lower, but I'm not gonna be doing that. One thing I did notice though, with this setup, when you first lower a 9th gen, you don't really know how long the car is until you lower it. Like it sounds weird what I'm saying. What I mean by that is when you first lower a 9th gen, you don't really know how long the car is, as far as, you know, when you're taking a bump. Like I'll take a bump on the highway, obviously, and the front would dip, and then like a second or two later, the back would like come down finally. And it's like, damn, bro, like I never knew like how much space this car has. But it's definitely something to get used to. Yeah. For all my 9th gen owners, when you lower your car, bro, it's true with these cars, they're more sensitive. When you knock off the alignment, please get in alignment when you are done. You have no idea how bad it is to drive with this car with shitty tires, especially when your tires are only shitty on the back. Like, I couldn't go past like 45 miles an hour when it rained, like, cause the tail would like want to kick out a little bit. And it was so many like downfalls to it. But yeah, so when you lower your car, definitely get alignment after. Get your tires lifespan worth it, especially when you just put new wheels on and everything. So that's pretty much it for the coilovers. It is worth it for go ahead and spending the $500 to just get some brand new coilovers on a budget. A lot of people recommend the Godspeed Mono 2. Those are great as well. My boy had those. I sat passenger side and driver's seat. They actually feel relatively the same. If I'm not mistaken, I think they're made in the same company, just a different name. I could be wrong, but leave in the comment section. Feel free to like tell me what you guys think and whether if I'm right or wrong. You know what I'm saying? So now we're gonna talk about the 70A Hasport mount, the rear and the upper pitch mount. I chose to do the upper pitch mount instead of doing the actual motor mounts because my motor mounts are good. When I bought this car, it was basically brand new, so it was like everything was good. I just wanted I wanted a stiffer feel. I didn't want any flex in the motor, and the rear mount definitely helped that a lot. I noticed when it came down to like banging gears that I didn't have as much wheel hop anymore, like, or axle hop. I didn't have any of that. Like, it's just like spun, it'll spin evenly, I'll bang in a second, and then it'll like hook up as soon as I went in. Which, me preferably, I like it. So if you guys are worried about the vibration for the 70As because you think it's atrocious, at first, it is. It sucked. It does suck in the beginning. But once it probably took me like a couple days, like 3-4 days just to break it in. But it was well worth it. The install was pretty easy. You know, 3 bolts on the top, 3 bolts on the bottom, done. Slide the new one in and you're done. And it was cheap. It was pretty cheap. I caught them on a Hasport deal on Tri-State. Shout out to Tri-State, by the way, in Stock Kings, for sure. But yeah, they held me down when the whole coupon stuff was going on that they were doing for the summer. So I went and I got that. I think out the door it was like 170, 180. I forgot. I gotta look it up. But I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think it was like 180, 190, maybe at most. But it wasn't a lot. So if you guys are interested in the 70As, man, I say do it. If you're interested in the Rev9 coilovers, they held me up for a year. So, you know, there's nothing wrong with them. You know, I'm driving right now, as you guys can hear, and you don't hear any crazy noises, nothing like that. Yo, it's worth it. It's worth it. Spend the money, man. There's nothing wrong with, you know, wanting to lower your car in the budget and you want decent quality stuff. It's okay. I wish I had my GoPro. I would have showed you guys what I'm doing right now. One last thing I want to talk to you guys about, this is going to be quick before I let you guys go, is man, thank you for all the support. Every single last one of y'all who comment, who like the video, who at least watch, you know what I'm saying? Who engage with me, who ask questions, whoever needs help. You guys all know, man, I'm here for you guys. We all know why we here on this channel is for, and it's for, you know, the K-Swap Accord. Everyone wants to know how I did it, and you know, I got a parts list that I could send out to anyone who needs it, you know what I'm saying? Just hit me up in the DM. Obviously, come with manners, man. Don't just like slide in my DM and just be like, parts list. Like, let's have common courtesy. But other than that, man, I can't complain about nothing. I appreciate you guys so much, and I promise you guys, it only goes up from here. So now that I have 1,000 subscribers, I could finally go live on YouTube. I could finally go live, and I could talk to you guys, and I can engage. So if you guys would like me to go live, you know, and just do a walk around in the car and stuff, I do not mind, man. Like, that's fine with me. Like, you guys are helping me. So just let me know, man. I appreciate every single one of y'all. I'm out. Peace.